Hello, my name is Jian and welcome back to the MySQL Server Learning course journey. Okay, so now in the day 2, I would like to talk about how to create a database, create table, and also create the relationship between some table in a database. Okay, so let's get started here. This one is the PHP MyAdmin dashboard on the website. You can see on the left side we have a list of database, and on the right side we have some information. On the top we have a operation menu, and the main we have some general information: setting, database server, web server, PHP admin information, blah blah. Okay, so now I go ahead to click on the database to create the database name. I will name it uh, learn my sequence db. Click on the create button. Yes. After that, the new database will be created and it will up add the new name into the lab. Okay, so if you think this name is not meaningful, so you are able to change it. You go ahead to click on the operation on the top menu. Under the read name database 2, you can also enter a new name for this database and go ahead to click on the go button here. After that, it will display the new name in the left panel. And you can also able to remove this database by click on the drop database here. Okay, so now we'll come back to this database. For now, we have just created the new database and we don't have any table. So now we go ahead to create a table. And in this tutorial, I will create two tables. The first is the category and the second is product. And we have some field in category ID, name, and description. And in the table, we have some field in product ID, category ID. Category ID is a foreign key from the product table with the category table. And the next one is product name, product price, and product description. Okay, so now go ahead to create the category table. It should be 3 columns. Click go button to execute the action. I will name it the category ID. Category description. Okay. The data type for ID it should be integer, and the default button no collaboration no it's for string and text attribute no and null no, because the category ID it should be primary key and unique, so we don't allow null. Index it should be primary key. You go ahead, go button. And now category name it should be varchar. The length of category name is it should be uh, 250. No collaboration. So I will go ahead to select the UTF-8 Unicode. That means you are able to enter the Unicode character into this column. Same thing for encryption. UTF-8 goes here. And you are able to click on the preview button here to see the script before creating new table. Here, and click on the save. After that, the new table already created in this database. You can see the category ID. It should be the number and auto increase. So when you are inserting the data into category table, you only want to enter data for category name and description, and the category ID should be auto increase. So we click on the change link here, hyperlink here. You can see here we have I under E, A under E, and under I it should be auto increment. You click on this, click on save button to process. Yes, after that in the HR column it will have a new option, auto increment. Okay, and now I go ahead to create the data, create table for product. I will name it product. Column it should be file. Click on go button. Product ID. Category ID. Name. Description. It should be integer, Raja. It is float, should be float. Raja. Default no. Collaboration Raja. It should be Unicode. Unicode. Product ID should be auto increase, and primary is primary. Okay, and click on preview button to see the state query before creating. Click on save button. On the button we have a console here. Yes, when you create new, it will display the query to create a table product. Okay, so now we'll clear this, and I will talk it about later. You can also, but you should know we can also able to write the script, sequence script here, and after that you press the control and enter button to execute the query. I will demo it later. Okay, so for now we have two tables, category and the second is product. And now I go ahead to create a relationship between product and category. I click on the product to view detail. Click on the structure on the top menu. You can see here we have a relational view. we are able to add a foreign key constraint for this table or product with another table. So I will name it um, category ID constraint. I will select the column of this table. It should be category ID. And we've linked it to the category. It should be category ID. Click the save. You can click on the preview button. Click on save. And when you have any delete or update, for example, after you create the data from category ID and after that you create the data from the product table. So if you already link the data from the category ID from category table into the product table, so if you delete the category, it will display the error message. It said you have to delete the data from the product table first. After that, you are able to delete the data from category table because it has the relationship between two tables. Click on the save button. Yes. Okay. And you are also able to create multiple relationship or constraint between the table. But for now, we have only one constraint between two tables over the category ID column. Okay, so I hope after you finish this video, you know how to create a table and also create the database. And after that, you create the relationship between two table or multiple table in a database. Okay, you can also access into my YouTube channel. You can also YouTube/C/GNVS. I have a lot of learning programming language tutorial here, and I have MySQL Server learning playlist. You can come here to see. Okay, so I hope that helped, and feel free to let me know if you have any question. Bye bye and see you later.